Hello everybody. Hello and welcome. This is Tony from Prague again. I got a beautiful Bibora and Maruška here. Bibora, it's nickname, right?
Right. It's an art nickname.
When I first met Bibora, she was posing for me.
Right.
She was a model at that time.
Yeah.
You were taking pictures as well, right?
Yeah, right.
She specializes on so-called emotional portraiture. That's actually the name, you invented the name, right?
I'm not sure if I invented, but I guess it was beginning when people start using it. Emotional and close-up portrait.
So that's what we are going to do today. And what she does is amazing. She takes a little things and she makes a big photos. So stay tuned and you will see how Bibora takes the photo that you saw in the beginning of this video.
So we will make a hole to this fabric. Careful, don't be scared. I guess this is enough. Face the window and put your head through the hole. Thank you. We will cover one of your eye with the fabric and please chin through the hole.
Okay.
Thank you. And we will cover one eye with the fabric. Awesome. You look beautiful. Yeah. And I will take my camera, so hold on. It will look a little bit mysterious.
Do you want me to lay down?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And still face the window and your eye please to the window because we need to catch light in your eyes. And please relax your lips. Look at the camera. And let's go. Please relax your lips. An intense look. I want feeling in this photo. I will check it. It looks beautiful. And please little bit open your mouth. I will change my position a little bit. Beautiful. This is awesome. Please stand. Hold on. Yes. Beautiful. I will a little bit repair the fabric. Look to the camera and face the window. Thank you. Maybe we will try this one without this stand. So let's try to sit down here. So one eye covered with the fabric, one eye free.
Yeah, let me just adjust it.
I will help you. Yes. Your smooth skin and this raw fabric will look beautiful. So, okay, and I will a little bit repair your hair. Okay, nice. Yeah, and again, please look at me and we want intense look. Yes, beautiful. Marvelous. Please be careful, we don't want to cover a second eye, just one. And this is beautiful. And please your head straight to me, chin a little bit up. Yes, this is it. This is awesome. We want close-up portrait and emotion in it. Yeah, I think we got it. I'm satisfied. And we want it in black and white, so I'm satisfied with this photo, but let's make a change and we will make a different lighting, more dramatic. I will put down the shades. I will use sweet-flat for more dramatic shadows. So Maru, please put your head on this stand. And the scene will be same. We just change light and lightning. So everything else will be same. So please put your
Just
chin.
one eye, right?
Right, and
Okay.
please put your chin on this stand. And please eye a little bit still to the light because we'll still want catch light.
Do you want me to look at you? Or
At one point through the window and at one point look at me, please. And on me. Beautiful. Please try stand on your chin. Yes. Just daylight, beautiful model, old fabric and basic camera.
Hey, you said basic camera. What is it?
D700.
D700.
Yeah.
It's vintage camera.
Exactly.
So guys, if you liked this episode, there will be many more. So I just want to encourage you, subscribe and follow us. Thank you, girls.
We thank you as well. We enjoy it.
yeah, thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye.